What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds right here and an iPhone, and maybe you want to connect these Samsung Galaxy Buds to your iPhone for whatever reason. I don't know, maybe you're a big Samsung fan with earbuds, or you just like the earbuds better than the AirPods. I'm going to show you how to connect them, but first thing you want to do is, if you have these connected to another device, such as an Android phone, which is probably very reasonable to say because they're basically built for Android and they can have some more features, you want to basically disconnect that first. So on your other device, which mine are connected to a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you want to, the easiest thing is to turn Bluetooth off. So go swipe down from the top and go into Bluetooth and just tap that so it's off. So my Bluetooth is off, so turn it off. There's another way you can turn it off, is just by going into settings up here and going into connections and then turning it off there as well. Just make sure Bluetooth is off, basically. It's that simple. Once Bluetooth is off, what you want to do, I'm gonna close these earbuds first. You want to go onto your iPhone and just make sure that Bluetooth is on. So go into your settings and then go into Bluetooth and turn that on. Once that is on, what you want to do, we'll just take a step back here, open up your earbuds, make sure they're in the little box container thing they came in here. And once those are opened, you want to go into Bluetooth, now that that's on, and you're going to see Galaxy Buds. All you're going to do is tap them right here and they are connected. It's that simple. Now you can take them out and listen to whatever you want. They're only going to start playing when I hold them up to my ears, so you probably won't be able to hear it, but they definitely do work, obviously. So a couple of the features do work with these. So for instance, when you tap it, it will like play the next song or next track for you. Another thing that works is if you press and hold on this. What time is it? It does Siri, so that's pretty cool. And otherwise you can't really customize them, unfortunately. Not a big deal, I guess, if you just want them for listening to music, but listens to music. And if you want to do the volume, you can't do it through the earbuds. You'll have to do it right through the phone right here. So there you guys go. That is how you connect the Samsung Galaxy Buds and use them on an iPhone. It's going to be the same process if you have an iPad. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys down the road. Peace!